In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an Authenticator app to your Instagram account. This is a great way to improve your account security with two-factor authentication. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the menu icon in the top right. Go to Account Center. Now tap on Password and Security. Select two-factor authentication. Choose your Instagram account from the list. Then select Authentication app. You'll now see a setup key on your screen. Tap on Copy key. Now exit Instagram and open your Authenticator app. You can use Google Authenticator or any similar app. Tap on the plus icon and choose Enter a setup key. In the name field, type Instagram. Paste the key you copied earlier. Then tap Add. You'll now see a 6-digit code generated in the app. Go back to Instagram and tap Next. Enter the 6-digit code from the Authenticator app. Once verified, two-factor authentication will be enabled. And that's it, your Instagram account is now more secure. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more security tips.